So today I will show you how Dhruv's room looks like. So we will start from here. So this is the area where we usually do our activities and studying and shelf work and so many other stuffs. So you can see over here, these are the pictures that I have set up. So these are the pictures of our family members, and this is the mini shelf of Dhruv. The link of everything you can find in the description box. Link to each and every purchase in this room is there in the description box. So this is basically where I set up his weekly activities, and there is a small plant for him which I keep on changing that. Last time it was some other plant, now it is this plant, and it is his duty to take care of it. So simple plants only, I don't give them really tough or sensitive plants, but very simple ones. Over here we have a small book, like two book ends, in which you can store like 3 to 4 books, and these are the books which we usually use in a particular week or day, like that. So I keep on changing this one, and these are his open-ended toys and other things. This is his table and chair. This is the one which I posted recently, and it is from IKEA, and I'll share the link of everything in my description box, so you can go and check it out. I have a review of this one as well. And at the bottom we have this activity cube, which we take out whenever we want to do something on that, otherwise it goes inside. Over here I have done few DIYs, and these are like these are the moving mobiles, and it's the theme of rain and clouds. I love putting clouds and sun and rain and rainbow in his room, and you will find everything almost the same thing, though I have not planned anything, but at the end everything comes up to be almost the same. This is also done by me, and that is his nameplate and a small poster over there. And this is the wall bookshelf which I mounted. I've given a review and installing video of this one as well. You can go and watch it out. So this is something really very cool. I keep on giving books from top, and from the bottom he can easily take. These are the DIY wall clouds which I have done, and again I have posted a video of how to make this a tutorial on this channel, so you can find the link in the description box. This is a floor bed. Basically it's not a floor bed, it's a normal bed. We just got the backrest and the legs removed when Dhruv was like born, or like when Dhruv started crawling, basically, because we just wanted to make it safer for him, so that it's easy for him to move around. This one is a mat. Again, it's very soft and very spongy, so even if he falls he don't get hurt. Over there we have a small cushion on which he sits, and he loves to read books on that. This is our multifunctional table, which gets converted as a sensory table and a Lego table and a study table, and Dhruv is making different structures over here. He loves to play with Lego, by the way. And this is another mat. It is waterproof, so in case we are playing using this one as a sensory table and water is filled in that, even if it falls down, it's easy to clean up. This is a cupboard where I store all his activities and toys and everything. I've shared a video of this one, a very detailed one, in my this channel. I'll link that one also. You can go and watch how I said that. I'm so sorry for the sound because here work is happening, so there's a bit of noise pollution. So over here on top I share some of his stuffs, and over here this is basically his weekly planner. So it's like Monday what I'm going to do, Tuesday what I'm going to do, and so on. So it have all these things over here. This is a small painting done by him, decorated by me, a small plant over there, and that is a mirror which we use for different activities, so I've kept it over there. And this is his snacking corner. Earlier it was in some other place, now I have shifted it over here. It just contains a small sippy cup for drinking water, and a small box in which I usually keep some snacks for him which are like non-perishable, which he can eat anytime. A small plant over here, small painting which we have done together when he was very, very small. Yeah, take it. And over here we have another set of books, and another set of books is inside the cupboard. I'll show you that later on. Over here is the place where we keep his dresses and other things. That is the box where we keep his shoes and chappals, and other things are over there. This is his easel board, and you can see over here this is the place where I keep the chalk, so it's easy for him to take and use whenever he wants. So everything is accessible for him. Okay, and these are the plants that we have kept in the room. That's my mirror, my plant, and everything. Over here is his, self-care station. So basically, all his things like small comb and other things are kept inside that cupboard. And over here, he can get ready. There's a small wall mirror and few plants which we have done as DIY, which he uses quite often. And over here, this is the blackboard paint that I have done at the back of the wall, and we stick these alphabets and we do this phonic practice and other things over here, so it becomes easier for him to follow. Over here we have his name, and he practices to learn his the spelling of his name in a very fun way. You would have seen if you are following me on Instagram. So this is how his room was all about. This is what our world is all about. This is where we do all the activities. You can see he was thirsty, so he took his bottle, he's drinking water, and once he's done, he'll put it over there. He'll come and play. If he's tired, he'll go and sleep. If he wants, he'll go up and he'll play. So basically everything is in his level, and it becomes easier for him. It becomes easier for me as a mom, because everything is in his level, and he's quite comfortable. I actually don't have to take everything and give it to him. So yeah, that is a short review of our room. It keeps on changing. I keep on bringing changes to this room. So next time I bring a major change, I will do a video tour once again. Okay, so bye bye.